Toyota has recalled over 44,000 vehicles, and there's something you need to know. But first off, the recall started off with the block not being cooled properly in the manufacturing process. Now this could cause cracks in the block, which will cause engine oil leaks, coolant leaks. It could cause the engine to catch on fire, poor performance. They're supposed to replace your engine. You should be contacted back in April. If not, you need to get on top of it, and this is why. And this is also where I want you guys to chime in. But first off, the names of the vehicles: the Toyota Camry, the Toyota Camry Hybrid, the RAV4, the Lexus vehicles as well. Now, from 2006 to 2011 are among many other issues with the Toyota vehicles. And this also includes the Toyota Corollas, a lot of the very popular Toyotas, the Camrys, all the other vehicles that I previously named. They have really bad engine oil consumption issues. That's right, oil consumption. You probably are aware of this. So please chime in. Let everyone know what model vehicle you have, how much oil it uses. Let's use this community to share with others. That's what we've been doing. This way we can get the truth out there. Is Toyota still reliable as it's been in the past? I know people that's got Toyota Tacomas, they've got 500,000 miles or more out of them. Really great vehicles. So what about it? Are they still making great vehicles? And I know Toyota definitely didn't want to honor the engine oil consumption. They had put out a TSB, technical service bulletin, and yeah, if you had a test done with over a quart of oil missing and just like 1,200 miles, and a lot of vehicles actually did, over a quart of oil gone, used up in 1,200 miles, burning that much oil from piston rings and pistons, problems manufacturing that. Alright, now, here today on Nate's Interactive Auto, drop that comment below and please tell us what your experience has been with Toyota. Thanks for watching Nate's Interactive Auto.